Whoa! Oh my god!
What if this is your card?
I'll freak out, obviously. Your card.
I'm actually not over. I'm not over like Shabir, who's like
Mind-boggling.
Wait, how do they hold that? Oh yeah, right. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. Welcome to second episode, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, this is third episode.
3 weeks later.
Magician
Funny
Face
face.
of Corona edition.
Welcome to third episode, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have two beautiful guests, Sanjana and Farasha. Sanjana is a singer, so Sanjana is going to sing for us right now. And we have Farasha, who's also a dancer. Are you going to dance for us, Farasha?
No.
I'll edit this part. Sanjana, what are you going to perform for us?
I mean, there's a song that I wrote. It's called I Could Be Your Wife. I'll just do like a really small part of it. I uploaded like 3 of my songs out of 4 from my EP, and they're all available on all streaming platforms. So please do check it out. So it's called I Could Be Your Wife.
I could be your lover, I could look fine, make a sweet home with 2 kids on our line, sit through boring parties, sip on some wine. See, I could be your wife, but I got no time, 'cause I got dreams to chase, fly to places, got things to do, change my fate. I want nothing more than just everything, nothing more than to keep singing. Got plans for life, goals to rise, be more kind and warm, empathize. I want nothing more than to keep learning, nothing more than just keep singing.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Thank you so much for that wonderful song, Sanjana. Okay, let's start the show right now. Usually we'll go with a toss, but Shubhendu, on a special request, he said he wants to go first because anyway he's going to lose this battle against me. He knows that, so that's why he wants to go first. Usually when I'm doing these episodes, I don't want to do it like a battle, but with Shubhendu, it has to be a battle.
I'm just out of this, just saying, because you
Yeah.
never know. I
तुम
don't.
लोग
I don't know
आपस में
anything.
decide कर लो कौन better था.
Sanjana and Farasha, will you please stick to singing and dancing rather than comedy? I'll do the comedy part, okay? Thank you so much. Let's move on. Shubhendu, are you ready?
Yeah, I am ready, and anytime you want to lose, I will just jump in.
In your dreams, chalo.
Okay, should I start?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Hi. My name is Shubhendu. I am an engineer. That's a cute way of saying that I'm single, unemployed, and somewhat socially awkward. Even though I look like this, I'm not a Bengali. My parents had a weird sense of humor. They were like, "This boy looks like a Bengali boy. Give him Bengali name. Let's fuck with him for the entire life." But then I realized they were not doing anything wrong, because it's a family legacy to fuck our children's names. Because believe it or not, my surname is Puthia. I know what it rhymes with. You don't have to say that out loud. Yeah, I know what it rhymes. I grew up with that name. And just to continue the legacy, I'm planning to have 3 kids of my own down the line and name them Swachh Bharat and Abhiyan just to fuck with them.
Why?
Okay. As you know, I'm an engineer and I'm unemployed. So I recently found this scheme that I want to share with all of you as well, because we all are artists, and this is a very testing time for all of us. We are not getting shows, or like we are doing shows that are not that much paying in the nature. So it's called Double Your Money in few days. It's definitely not a scam. Definitely it's not a fraud scam. Okay. So for that, you need to sign up. Can you just tell me your emails? Can you just send me your emails? I'll just send you the emails.
They both are thinking it's real.
Like for a second, I'm just like, am I getting money? Because like everybody
I
knows
am
I'm broke.
so sure it's not
Like,
real.
No. I believe me. It's not fraud. And if you give me your email, you can sign it up after the show. After the show, you can sign up on that, and you can follow all those steps, and you'll definitely get double amount you invest. I promise. Please tell me your emails.
I'm just gonna put it in the chat if that's true.
Yeah. That would be better. Hoodie, you can do that too if you want to. Okay, let's just start something. Okay, I'll start with Hoodie because I'm going to destroy him today. I'll start with him. Hoodie, name a number, any two-digit number that comes into your head.
52.
52. Do you want to do? Is there any significance why you said 52?
No. I don't want to go with the obvious number, so I went with random.
Okay. Do you want to change your mind?
No.
Please don't. Okay. What will you be surprised if it's written the same at the back of this? Would you be impressed? Yeah. As I said, the same.
What the hell?
Are you kidding? Listen, this man is freaky, and I actually gave him my real ID. What is
So
this?
did I.
Okay, wait. But as you see, this is an envelope, right? It's not just that. It's an envelope. So there's something inside it, right? So
Yeah.
what if inside it says the same number? Would you be impressed then?
How?
Would you be impressed? Okay, no. Okay. It says the same.
क्या है ये?
Same number is written.
Okay. Thank you for reading the joke. Now I'll do something.
You know what? Actually, you know what?
Is this how you're going to crush Hoodie?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
that's
not
right.
happening.
Okay, so we'll do with this. Sanjana, think of an animal. Think of any animal in the world.
What?
Got it? Right. Okay.
If he writes the animal name correct, I would still freak out.
Yeah,
I
so
am
will
already
Uncle.
freaking out. What is this? I don't like magic. I just feel I'm weak-minded then. Okay.
Okay. What is the animal you're thinking of? What is the animal you're thinking of?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. A rabbit.
Hoodie, you're so winning. Do not worry.
I'm telling you guys, I'm totally winning this.
That looks like anything. I'm just saying. That looks like everything. I could have just said my grandmother or something.
Okay, but this whole thing was actually going on for a card trick. We do because as you can see, there are all the different cards, right? All the different cards. So, Farah,
Yes.
name a card. Any card.
Eight
Any
of
card.
diamonds.
Okay. Before you have to change it because I have to take out the card first. Then you have to say the card. Otherwise, it's not that magical. Okay. I have just taken one card and name a card. Any card.
5 of hearts.
5 of hearts. Are you sure? What if this is your card?
I'll freak out, obviously.
It's
Your card.
Sanjana, look at disappointment on Sanjana's face now. she must be thinking, I wasted my singing talent for this.
Puthia, little bit you're acting like.
I feel you. Hoodie, you're
Okay,
winning. Hoodie,
Okay.
you are winning.
Okay. Hoodie, you can take it from here. The audience is all you.
But like good, okay. It was fun. I mean, I was laughing and I was in.
Yeah, that was all from my side.
Oh.
Please take it from here.
Dude,
But it was good. It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
clearly I'm winning this game anyway, by the way.
Yeah.
This is just formality. Anyway. For this sake, I need a cube, okay? Just watch this hand, okay? Empty hand, nothing here. Or this. See that?
Hoila.
First of all, this is a normal cube, okay? You can see I'll shuffle the cube and all. There's no gimmick involved. And have you ever tried playing with the cube?
Yeah, and I realized how dumb I am. But yeah,
But you can see this is a normal cube with all colors, red, blue, green, yellow, orange, white, right? Now,
Yep.
red always is opposite to orange, blue always opposite to green, white always opposite to yellow, right? Yeah, by that logic, these colors always remain in the same position, okay? Now what I'm going to do is take the color from one side and place it on the other side. Okay. Watch this. Watch this. Now see, blue is here and white is here. Red on the top, blue and white. Look at these two colors. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. See that?
How did you do that?
Let's do that one more time. One more time. Okay. Watch this. Parasha, that's how I do it. Oh, one last time. Check one last time. You can see again the colors change. Now I'm gonna bring a blue color marker here. Okay. And
Very scared. Wait, how are you doing that? How are you doing that? That's brilliant.
wait, this is not supposed to happen. How did it change to red?
What?
Oh shit! I didn't even notice. Oh shit! It was
That
blue.
was blue.
Oh no, wait. I don't want to ruin. Okay, wait.
Whoa!
Yes.
Oh my god!
I have no clue how that happened. Actually,
I mean, you do have a clue. We don't know, but you do.
I can change it. Oh my god, this is brilliant. I don't know how this is happening, but this is happening, guys. Okay, let me. If I put it here and try.
Okay.
Oh, of course. This is a red color. Maybe if I try with blue color, now it might change. Let me see.
What the hell? You're just shifting it.
Yeah, I have no clue how this is happening, but it's happening. I need a. You can see this is a normal cube. Okay, I'll take this marker. You can see it's a green color marker. Okay. I need one more cube. Okay, I need one more cube.
Yeah. How many cubes do you have? I thought you just had one.
Did it just become blue?
Ooh.
Hold on. Open it. Inside also it is blue.
किसका हाथ है वहाँ पे? कौन change कर रहा है?
I have no clue. Okay, let's see. Okay, watch. We'll keep the blue here, and we'll use this marker to. If this all changes, wow.
No way.
Green again. Watch this.
Actually
Watch
crazy.
this. And becomes blue again. Oh my god. I have a better idea. All these colors are already there on the cube, right? Now watch this. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Becomes black.
No. Listen, this is freaky. Like, I'm not okay. What
I'm
is
going
this?
to get
Where did it go?
nightmares.
How did it become black? What is happening?
Thank you so
gonna
much. You
get-
guys have been a wonderful audience. And
Right? How
that's
he was hanging. I want to know what happened. Like, wait, how? This is so good.
totally crushed it. F in the
Okay.
chat for Shubhendu, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay. Now that you have
What do
crushed
you
me,
think? It's been like absolutely brilliant. Like the last time I saw you, and now it's just like I'm really shocked. I'm not kidding. It's just
I am
My
still trying to process it.
process the whole thing. Same. This is like Britain's Got Talent level. Like last time it was like Cuckoo Club. Like we're all like vibing level. You know what I'm trying to say?
संजना उसको ज़्यादा नहीं चढ़ाते. Let's just leave it the way it is.
That's also true. But like this is brilliant, man. Brilliant.
Amazing.
Shubhendu, ladies and gentlemen.
My God.
can you pin my video for
Yeah,
one
yeah,
more
I'll
time?
pin your
Just
video.
for one second. So before you guys make your decision to who is winning, because I know I can read your mind that I know who you're thinking to make win right now. I sent you guys an email beforehand, right? Before the show when I took it. Can you look at the time the email I sent?
Okay. You can put your videos on. I'll read the email. I've opened it.
It's 2023. Like you sent it to me at 8:23.
Yeah, even me, 8:23.
That means it was before your performance.
Before my performance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
हाँ.
We know Okay, mail from putia.shubhendu@gmail.com to Sam and me. We know in these testing times, but we at Anuradha Chitfund bring in the scheme where we double your money in just 52 days.
Wait, what was the number you said?
52.
I said 52.
Yeah, go
What you
ahead.
have to do is follow some rules, like after we double your money, you need to adopt a rabbit, and always, whenever Shubhendu, adopt a rabbit. And
Oh
whenever
my god, oh my god, oh god, oh god.
And whenever Shubhendu asks for a card, say the card 8 of diamonds and then change it to 5 of hearts. And in the end, make him the winner of the face-off and follow him on Instagram and eventually marry him. Oh
Oh
my!
my god, this is.
How did you know what song am I just sing? What the hell?
You are sincerely Anuradha Chitfund Services.
Woody,
do
tu
one.
ghar ja.
The screen is not frozen. I am just shocked.
I am. Oh ho
Oh
ho.
my god.
Nice one.
Dude,
This
I
is-
mean, I'm blown away.
did you buy those glasses?
Yes, just for this.
Oh,
But I
What
can't
is
see
it?
through them, so
Oh my
I'll just change it back.
you know what, Shubhendu? I don't have to buy it. All I have to do is just snap.
Woo!
Arre!
Remove it and show me.
Remove
with
it.
your fingers. With your fingers.
Yes,
No. I'm actually not over. I'm not over like Shubhendu's like magic, like just like all of it. Like I'm not over it.
Now it's a vote out, okay? We will give you 5 seconds, okay?
Don't
And
do
then
that.
You guys were amazing. We don't know whom to select.
This is crazy. Like
Both
Yeah.
were
I
like
can
mind-boggling. You're both good in your own ways, and telling us to select is just unfair.
I just cannot pick one. I just had the best time. I'm like just glad that I could be a part of this and have fun. It's
Shubhendu,
unfair.
so since I'm the host of this show, I'll take the final call and declare Hoodie as the winner. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
That reaction is the answer. No, I declare myself the winner.
Or shall we do this in the comment section on YouTube? Okay, we'll see the comment section after like 10 days or something and see
Yeah,
who got
that's
the more
good.
views, who get the more views.
We are safe that way.
Maybe after 10 days or 20 days, depending on which day I get more number of votes, I'll declare the winner. Okay.
Listen, I think he's capable of making 50 fake accounts and commenting for himself also. He'll be like, hoodie.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have been a wonderful audience. And also, please, I forgot to mention this first 2 times. Like, share, subscribe, comment and vote. If you love Sanjana, please follow her. Her Instagram handle is in the description. And also Farasha, amazing dancer. You can check out her dance videos in the description. Thank you so much. Until next time, see you guys. Thank you, Shubhendu, for joining me tonight.
I could be